Tired of wasting money on overhyped gadgets? We've done the digging for you. These 25 Amazon finds aren't just trending, they're game changers you'll actually use. From genius kitchen tools to smart home upgrades, get ready to upgrade your daily life with gadgets that deliver real value. Let's dive in. Running out of space for your shoes? This vertical narrow shoe rack is a total game changer. Its sleek, space-saving design fits perfectly in tight corners or behind doors, turning clutter into clean organization. Whether you have 5 pairs or 15, it keeps everything neat, accessible, and stylish, perfect for small homes or apartments. Tired of juggling hot pot lids while cooking? This pot lid holder is the kitchen helper you never knew you needed. It securely holds your lids upright, keeping your countertops clean and your hands free. Whether you're stirring, sautéing, or serving, this clever gadget adds convenience and tidiness to your cooking routine. Say goodbye to messy spills and hello to smart kitchen organization. Lifting heavy water bottles just got easier with this water bottle lifter, designed with a sturdy grip and ergonomic handle. It lets you lift and pour large bottles effortlessly. No more spills or back strain. Perfect for home, office, or outdoor use. This handy tool turns a tough task into a breeze. Stay hydrated without the hassle. This Nylon Bristles brush is your ultimate cleaning companion. With durable, flexible bristles, it scrubs away tough stains without scratching surfaces. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or even outdoor gear, it makes deep cleaning effortless and effective. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, giving you precision and power where you need it most. This wall-mounted retractable clothesline is a space-saving marvel for modern homes. It extends when you need it and tucks away neatly when you don't. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use. It offers strong support for drying clothes without the clutter. Say goodbye to bulky drying racks and hello to sleek convenience. Transform your walls in minutes with this peel and stick 3D wallpaper, designed to give your space a modern, textured look without the mess of traditional wallpaper. It's the ultimate DIY home upgrade. Whether you're revamping a dull corner, accent wall, or entire room, this self-adhesive wallpaper sticks firmly, removes cleanly, and instantly adds depth and style. Waterproof, durable, and easy to clean, it's perfect for renters, homeowners, and anyone who loves quick, stylish transformations. Keep your kitchen sink clutter-free with this over-faucet kitchen sink caddy organizer, designed to hang right over your faucet. It provides a convenient spot to store sponges, brushes, and dishcloths while keeping them dry and within reach. The open design ensures quick drainage and prevents mold buildup. Say goodbye to messy countertops and hello to a cleaner, more organized sink space. Keep your space tidy and stylish with these collapsible storage bins with lids, perfect for organizing clothes, toys, or seasonal items. These bins fold flat when not in use, saving you valuable space. The sturdy lid keeps dust out and contents hidden for a clean look. Whether for closets, shelves, or under the bed, these bins are your ultimate clutter-busting solution. Say goodbye to bathroom emergencies with these disposable emergency urinal bags. Designed for men, women, and kids, they instantly turn liquid into gel for a leak-proof, mess-free experience. Perfect for long drives, camping, traffic jams, or outdoor adventures. Compact, hygienic, and easy to use. These bags are a lifesaver when nature calls and a restroom isn't in sight. Make fruit prep fast and effortless with the Chromecast apple peeler and core. This handy kitchen tool peels, cores, and slices apples in seconds with a simple turn of the handle. Its suction base ensures stable use on any countertop, while the stainless steel blades deliver precision. Perfect for pies, snacks, or drying fruit. It's a must-have for any home cook or baker. Maximize comfort and space with this stylish sofa cum bed, perfect for small apartments or guest rooms. It easily transforms from a cozy sofa to a comfortable bed in seconds. Its sleek design and multifunctional use make it a smart, space-saving addition to any modern home. Keep your drawers neat and tidy with this self-adhesive socks and underwear drawer organizer. Designed with flexible compartments, it provides a designated space for each item, making it easy to find what you need. The self-adhesive base ensures it stays in place, while the breathable material keeps your garments fresh. A must-have for clutter-free storage. This collapsible hanging kitchen trash can is a space-saving essential for any kitchen. Easily attaches to cabinet doors or drawers, keeping waste within reach while you cook. Its foldable design allows for convenient storage when not in use, and it's made of durable, easy-to-clean materials, perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or camping trips. Practical, efficient, and mess-free. The Cucumber Sharpener is a fun and practical kitchen tool that adds creativity to your food prep. Shaped like a pencil sharpener, it effortlessly turns cucumbers, carrots, and similar vegetables into decorative spirals or ribbons. Great for garnishing salads or making healthy snacks. It's compact, easy to use, and brings a playful twist to everyday cooking. The flexible water tap pipe is a convenient attachment designed to extend and direct water flow with ease. Its bendable design allows 360-degree rotation, making it perfect for washing dishes, vegetables, or cleaning the sink. Easy to install on most faucets, it enhances water efficiency and offers better reach for daily kitchen tasks. The portable collapsible stool is a lightweight yet sturdy seating solution ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for camping, fishing, gardening, or extra seating at home. Made from durable materials, it supports significant weight while offering quick setup and compact convenience. The inflatable car air mattress transforms your backseat into a comfortable resting space, ideal for road trips, camping, or long drives. Made from durable, soft PVC material, it fits most car models and inflates quickly with the included air pump. The mattress comes with built-in pillows and side supports to enhance comfort and prevent slipping. Its ergonomic design offers full backseat coverage, providing a cozy sleep environment wherever you go. When not in use, it deflates easily and folds into a compact size for storage. Enjoy rest on the road with this versatile, travel-friendly car bed solution. The slim running waist belt is the perfect companion for joggers, hikers, and travelers who want to carry essentials hands-free. Made from lightweight, breathable, and stretchable fabric, it comfortably fits around your waist without bouncing. Its slim design conceals your phone, keys, cards, and cash securely with a zipper closure. Water-resistant and adjustable, this belt ensures a snug fit and keeps your valuables safe during any activity or workout. The acrylic corner rolling storage cart with wheels is a sleek and space-saving solution for organizing your essentials. Designed to fit snugly in corners, its transparent acrylic build offers a modern touch while keeping contents visible. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels, it moves effortlessly between rooms. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or offices. Each tier provides ample storage for toiletries, supplies, or decor. Durable, easy to clean, and functional, it adds style and convenience to any space. Protect your walls and silence slamming doors with this silicone door handle cover with back suction cup. Made from soft, shock-absorbing silicone, it cushions impact while preventing damage to walls and handles. The built-in suction cup offers quick, tool-free installation. Ideal for homes with kids or elderly, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Slice and pit mangoes in seconds with this mango slicer cutter. Its sharp stainless steel blades glide through fruit effortlessly, removing the seed and creating perfect mango halves. The non-slip handles ensure a secure grip for safe, mess-free slicing. A must-have tool for mango lovers during the summer season. Make your game nights smoother and more exciting with this 360 degrees rotating automatic card dealer machine. It shuffles and deals cards evenly to all players with just a press of a button. Perfect for poker, Uno, or any card game. It saves time and adds a professional touch to every round. Upgrade your shower routine with this body scrubber featuring strong back suction cups. Designed for hands-free cleaning, simply stick it to your bathroom wall or tub, and let the soft yet effective bristles exfoliate and massage your skin. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach areas, improving blood circulation while promoting smoother, cleaner skin. No more bending or stretching. Just lean in and enjoy a refreshing, spa-like cleanse every day. Say goodbye to neck strain during long drives with this car headrest neck support pillow. Ergonomically designed to support your neck and maintain proper posture, it's filled with high-density memory foam that contours perfectly to your shape. Whether you're on a road trip or stuck in traffic, this pillow ensures comfort, reduces fatigue, and makes every journey more relaxing and pain-free. And our final gadget is a total game-changer, button pins for jeans. These handy adjustable pins are perfect for giving your loose jeans a snug fit without any sewing. Simply pin them on, and voila, your jeans fit like they were tailored just for you. They're reusable, rust-resistant, and come in stylish designs to match your denim. A must-have for quick fixes, DIY adjustments, or weight fluctuation, fashion and function in one tiny tool. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you found even one product worth checking out, drop us a like and hit that subscribe button for more clever finds you'll love. Until next time, stay smart, shop smarter.